On today's episode of Fix What Bugs You. Yeah, that bugs me. This is one of our street number signs of our Texas location. And as you can see, it's fallen apart. It's pretty old and worse for wear. I was able to repair the other one, which I'll show a little bit later. But I'm going to redo this, make a brand new one, and even match the numbers to the sign up front.
Some of you might be asking, how is fixing your street numbers lean? Well, let me tell you something. Lean isn't just about yourself. Lean is about caring about others. And I can't tell you how many delivery vehicles or Ubers or couriers have missed our facility and gone around the corner or pulled in the parking lot before our facility or had to go around the block because the numbers were just in poor condition. So it really bugs me that they can't easily find us, and that's why I thought I should fix these.
So I'm going to need a couple of coats here because new wood is going to soak up a lot of paint. And it's going to dry pretty quick. But I think you get the idea, so there's nothing more boring than watching paint dry. So we'll just cut to the finished product.
Right, now I got the numbers assembled. I had to drill out one of these holes because it was clogged, but let's get them put on the board. And I jumped the gun and didn't video me putting these in. It was a little tricky. You can get them lined up pretty easily and then just use a rubber mallet to pop them in, but there we go. Now I gotta go figure out how we're gonna hang it outside. And here's our new sign. I'm just gonna put a little bit of paint on it to cover the screw heads so that they hopefully don't rust.
I mean, they're galvanized, but never hurt to just put a touch. Plus, gets rid of the shine from a distance. That one's all dark. I'm gonna put a little touch on it.
There we go. And like I said before, that now matches the original sign that I redid here, where I was able to salvage the wood even though I had to sand it and whatnot. But there we go. Fix what bugs you.